You did not do good on those exercises at all. You didn't do good.
Sure, I didn't do good.
Hold on, just turn. You did awful. That would be my description of your performance. Is awful.
Florida. Officer pulls over a silver Chevy Silverado weaving on I-275. The driver has one explanation for everything.
Lima Golf, Victor 5-6. It's on a silver Chevy Silverado. I'll advise them. Big white open place back there to pull over, and this is where we've pull over here. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Great. Do you have your driver's license with you tonight? Okay. Thanks. Is it your truck?
Yeah.
Do you have the registration in there? Okay. Where are y'all headed to tonight?
I'm just dropping them off. It was her birthday.
Oh, today. Happy birthday. Yeah. Where did y'all go to? What's that?
Soho.
Oh, okay. Was it pretty busy down there tonight?
Not really, honestly.
Really? That's the insurance. You live in Palm Harbor still?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm stopping you for a couple of reasons, okay? Number one, I've been following you for a little while, and I've noticed that you can have this information back. I've noticed that you've been weaving back and forth quite a bit. You hit the lane divider and stuff, yeah. And then this red light back here, you didn't stop all the way for the red light. You slowed down, but you got to come to a complete stop. Is everything okay with the truck? Any mechanical problems, anything like that?
Honestly, it's like
What do you think might be wrong?
it's making us whenever I drive, but not when I drink.
Oh, okay. Interesting. All right. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not at all. It's her birthday, so I've just been taking them out.
Okay. All right. Hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay.
Sorry, I'm wearing heels.
It's okay. We're almost done.
If I didn't work all day, you know what I mean?
Try to keep your head still.
It's still.
All right. Listen, there are a couple other exercises that I'm going to ask you to do, okay?
Yes, sir.
Like involves walking on a line, standing on one leg. Now, you're wearing heels. I would definitely recommend you take those off because those are pretty high heels. You want to go ahead and do that?
No, bro.
Okay. 6 of. You are being placed under arrest right now for DUI, okay?
What?
Yes, DUI. Here, just relax your arms for me. Because what I do on these exercises is I look for clues of impairment, okay?
I know, but I'm not impaired at all. So.
You did not do good on those exercises at all. You didn't do good.
Sure, I didn't do good.
Hold on, just turn away from me there. Okay. Yeah, you showed a lot of clues of impairment, okay?
Sir, what clues did I show? I'm more than fine right now. I promise you.
Let me ask you a couple
Yes,
of
sir.
important questions.
Yeah.
Do you have anything illegal on you? Any
No.
CBD, THC stuff, vape
No, sir.
pens, stuff
No,
like
sir.
that? Okay, come on back here. Listen, from here, we're going to go down to the jail. When we get to the jail, I'm going to ask that you do a breath test. Are you willing to do the breath test?
Sir, may I ask why though? I'm completely fine. I've completed all of your steps that
You
you've
are not.
asked.
You are not fine. You
I'm
are
not fine?
No, you are not. You should not be driving right now. No.
How am I not fine?
Your performance on these field sobriety
Sir, but I
exercises.
haven't failed anything.
Okay, come on back here. Come on back here. 6, 7,
Sir.
10, 15. Come. We're gonna have a seat in my car. Okay. Are you willing to take the breath test?
No, because I haven't done anything.
All right.
Sir, I haven't even gotten your name. I haven't
It's
even
Officer. It's Officer Barr. Have a seat.
Officer
We'll
Barr.
talk. I don't want to get hit by a car.
I
Come on, have a
gotcha.
seat.
Sir,
There's
but I
cars
haven't
coming.
done anything. You know, you haven't showed me anything that I've done wrong. I've done everything completed how you wanted.
Have,
You know?
Have a seat for me, and I'll explain to you. Okay, you did not do good on that. That's why you're under arrest
How did
right
I
now.
not do good on it? I'm completely fine.
Have a seat. Come on, I'm not going to argue with you.
No, I'm not going to argue with you, sir.
Have
I'm
a
just
seat.
asking.
Have a seat, and I will be happy to explain everything to you. Okay?
Can you please explain
get in the
it
car,
now,
sir? Get in the
'Cause I
car.
have to drive these girls home that are intoxicated.
Get in the car. Come on,
Sir, I'm just asking. I'm completely fine.
Sit in the car.
Sir.
Sit in the car, or
Mr. Barr, I'm looking at you.
sit in the car. You are not okay. All right, come on.
Mr. Barr, I promise
sit.
you, I'm okay. I'm trying to get these.
There's
girls
cars.
home
There's
too.
more cars coming. Sit in the car.
Mr. Barr.
I'm going to force you into the car, and you're going to catch more charges.
Really?
Yes, I will charge you.
Mr.
I will charge you
Barr.
with extra if you do not get into the
Mr.
car.
Barr, I'm completely fine though.
Sit
You
in-
haven't even issued anything that I would be.
Sit in the car.
Mr.
sit in the
Barr,
car.
you haven't. Okay, now you're forcing me, Mr. Barr. You haven't said anything of why I'm being arrested.
You're being arrested for DUI.
How though? I'm
your feet-
not intoxicated.
Put your feet.
at all.
Yes, you are. Put your feet in the car.
Excuse me, Mr. Barr. Officer.
So she's been arrested for DUI.
Okay.
She'll be able to make some phone. She'll be able to call you guys in about 2 hours to explain to you what's going to happen from there. Okay.
Okay.
She has to be held at the facility for minimum of 8 hours.
Minimum?
Yep. 8 hours, and then at the end of the 8 hours, she's eligible to be released. But like I said, in about 2 hours, she'll be able to make her phone calls. So give it some time, okay? She'll be able to call you. I'm going to get her
Is that
phone
already
and
on your chest right now?
yeah, that goes with her.
Okay.
I'm going to get her phone and her purse and stuff. That way, she's got your phone numbers and all of that.
This is a truck.
Yeah, we have to tow the truck because obviously she's been arrested for DUI, so
Okay.
we have to tow the truck.
Okay. We
you
can
wanna-
call somebody to move her truck?
No, we're not
You
allowed
have to tow it?
Yeah, we're not allowed to release it to anybody for liability reasons.
Okay.
You want to call your friends real quick so they can get on the way. There's another officer that's going to hang out here.
Okay.
So let me grab her stuff out of the truck. If you guys would just do me a favor, just hang out here. If you want to leave those there, I'll take those with us so she has shoes. You right now. You've been arrested for DUI.
I know, sir, but I'm saying like, I'm not like this is not crazy. Like I'm literally the most responsible person.
We're going to go back here. She got her cuts in front of her or off or something, so. All right.
Sir, I still don't understand. I know you said DUI, but I'm completely fine. I was literally their designated driver.
Lean forward, and put your other arm behind your back.
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Put your other.
Sir, do you completely understand you're arresting me for no reason?
You've been arrested for DUI, like I explained.
I know, I heard you, but
Okay.
I'm saying I'm completely fine. I'm not.
Thanks, I appreciate it. $672. If you had a female coming here, I guess you can cancel them. Oh, take care of everybody.
Sir, taking me to jail for absolutely.
1035 23327. I've already explained it to you. That's what you're under. You're under arrest for DUI. Because I believe you are impaired right now. Yep, I know that you thought you passed all of those things. You did awful. That would be my description of your performance. Is awful. I am not going to explain every little detail to you. It's all on video.
I know.
It's all on video. You'll be able to. So earlier, you told me you were not going to take the breath test. I am going to read you something. I'm required to read this to you. And I want you to be informed about the law. This is called implied consent. And in reference to the breath test, which I asked you to take, if you refuse to take that test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. Do you have any questions about that?
No, but I don't understand considering I'm not drunk like that.
Okay. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Okay. If you change your mind while we're inside and you decide you want to take it, you just have to let me know and I'll give you the opportunity to take it, okay? I appreciate it. Well, tonight is a night you should not have been driving.
I don't ever. Like, you got the wrong person, I'm sorry. I got it right here.
That you shouldn't have been driving tonight. We've already gone over
Sir,
that, okay?
I don't ever drink. Ever.
Okay.
Like, you literally.